All right, guys, welcome back to another video of Shaman J. Yes, this is the Tudia Merge for the OnePlus 9 Pro. I've actually had this for quite some time, and I wanted to bring it to you after using it for a little bit. The Tudia Merge is a series that, it has just been around for quite some time, and it's a heavy-duty drop protection case that they produce. Tudia, that is. So I wanted to go ahead and show it to you on the device. It comes in regular packaging. It comes in blue, metallic slate, and rose gold, and then this matte black. I'm showing you the matte black because this is, they sent me all of them, but I'm just showing you the matte black because this is my favorite of them all. And this is the one that I would actually use. Hit the link in the description if you want to check out all the different cases and colors. But the matte black is definitely the most beautiful of them all to me, with this series right here with the color of the device. So on the side here, you saw me messing with the vibrate switch. It's kind of deep in there, the vibrate mute switch, the rocker. But I mean, that's a good thing, and it could be a con, but it's nothing to worry about. It's actually nice that comparing it to other cases, theirs is a little bit smaller inside of there. So no big deal. Power button is good. Volume rocker works good. Power buttons, they all have nice tactile feedback. When you look at the lip protection on here, you do get a little bit of lip protection along the top and bottom, and that's good. And this is a curved display, so it really feels good in the hand. When you're laying it down on the table, you get protection, but it feels good in the hand because it's such a narrow phone to begin with. I don't think you'll have a problem with the way this case feels. So with that in mind, serious drop protection with the Merge series. It's just a good series case. On the back here, you can see you have these ridges here, and that's just going to give you some grip when it's in your hand like this. It should be okay like this. You got all your ports and everything are going to be cut out perfectly fine. And then on the back here, the camera is now recessed a little bit, so that gives you some protection when laying it down flat. So if you were to drop it like this, more than likely the case will take the impact first, and then we'll hope that your camera lens doesn't shatter on the back. I haven't seen very many people's camera lenses shatter, but hey, it's totally a possibility. So I want to go ahead and show you the Tudia Merge series. Again, hit the link in the description if you decide to pick this up. I think you'll probably like this case. More than likely, like every company has like their main selling case, and the Merge series is what they've gravitated to pretty much hit all corners of the market. I mean, they have this case for almost every phone that's out there, and it actually feels really good in comparison to some of the other cases I've been using, if I'm being totally honest. My subcase Unicorn Beetle, I have several cases here, but the subcase Unicorn Beetle is one that I was using for quite some time. Let me see here. I got them both. They're so close. Yeah, it's gonna be this one because this is the curved one. This one is really nice. I like this case. However, the grip on it is not as good as this case right here. And this one actually feels more heavy duty than the sub case. And that's just what it is. That's the truth. The sub case is a great case. Really love it. They'll both give you the drop protection that you want. But this one just feels a little bit more substantial in the hand. And I've actually I bought several other things for the phone. I bought some official cases and things like that. So you'll see a lot more as far as accessories go in cases on this device. But this is the Tudia Merge, and this is what I'm rocking right now. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.